5160 spring steel, block of wood. Put them together and you've got today's project, a beautiful wood turning chisel. And after we forge out the chisel itself, we're going to use that to turn the handle for this project. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do here is to forge this down to about 1 inch across. Once that's complete, you can start working on rounding out and slimming down the tang. So here you see me using this measuring tool to create a 30-degree slant, and that will be the edge of our chisel. Once you've quenched it and the material has cooled down a little bit, go ahead and test its hardness with a file. If it skates, it's good to go. If you feel the bite, you need to re-harden. Then put it in the oven for 2 rounds of 1 hour each with 20 minutes of cool time in between at 420 degrees. When you've completed your tempering cycles, go ahead and take the chisel back to the belts and scale it up from your lowest grit belt to your highest. I went from 80 all the way up to 2000. that's the wood turning chisel. This turned out beautifully. I'm super happy with it, and I plan to use it in a lot of future videos. So keep an eye out for it, and I will see you guys next time.